Adept is used in a huge variety of industries. And so we sat around the table at lunch and talked to people from all over the world and all over industries, and they bring a very different perspective to the kinds of functionality that they need and the ways that they use the tool. And there's no doubt we've picked up some really cherry items to take back and say, let's talk about this and let's implement it. So there's some direct, immediate, actionable items I think we got out of this. That's number one. Number two is I sat most of the time directly next to your primary desktop interface developer. And that's priceless. I mean, if you think about any other company you work with, to try to have that accessibility, to have a discussion about the various ways to implement something, I mean, that's unprecedented.
Me personally, I like the customer stories for sure. It's good to see other people solving almost the same problems that we were trying to solve and how they went about doing it, what their challenges were. Sometimes they were the same as ours, sometimes they weren't, but the customer stories are really good. I really did enjoy those. You know, in all seriousness, the venue was great.
Yes.
The venue was really good.
I was impressed.
Yeah.
And I liked going to Bethlehem Steel, the old factory. That was really cool.
Yeah.
It's been pretty exciting to see all the different customers that are here. I'm really impressed with the Adept 2017 that's we'll be implementing here shortly. But really the engagement with all the different customers, seeing what they're doing, excited about what I'm doing, and the opportunity to share what we've done.
The opportunity to do the networking, to have discussions with people who are managing nuclear cyclotrons or furniture manufacturing or huge mining equipment. This is really great. It's an opportunity for us to see how others are using the tool and who's encountering similar challenges and how they're solving them. Also, for me personally, the opportunity to get up here and meet the Synergist team in person. Many of these folks we've talked to on the phone, but we've never really actually met. And to be able to put a person, a face with a name, and to have the conversations on the side with these folks and share ideas, etc., is just absolutely fantastic.
An excellent amount of one-on-one time with the instructors, and they're great, they're knowledgeable, they can stop and listen to what you're trying to explain, because all these different companies have different applications for the software, and so they listen to you and they try to actually genuinely understand how you're applying it. So it was great.
The training was absolutely fantastic. It was fun to just put some faces to names that we've been talking with over the last 5-6 years too, and just get a feel for the culture of the company. Honestly, I had no idea what Synergist really did outside of just the fact that they had a software system of Adept, and that's what we used. So just to get a feel for the actual people was really fun. It was an eye-opener this week.
Yeah.